Spilling the beans, unveiling secrets. Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might have heard, spilling the beans. This video will help you understand not just the meaning, but also how you can use it in your daily conversations. So, if you're ready to unlock the secrets behind this intriguing phrase, let's get started. Spilling the beans is an idiomatic expression in English used to describe the act of revealing a secret or disclosing information that was supposed to be kept confidential. Imagine having a jar full of beans that accidentally tips over. The beans scatter everywhere, just like a secret being spread out for everyone to know. This phrase captures the essence of secrets coming out into the open, often leading to unexpected consequences. The phrase, spilling the beans, has an interesting background. It is believed to originate from ancient Greece, where beans were used in voting. Voters would place a bean in a jar to cast their vote. If the jar was accidentally knocked over, the votes would be revealed prematurely. This historical context ties back to the idea of revealing something before the right time. 1. To admit a secret. When someone finally decides to reveal a secret, they can say they are spilling the beans. For example, after months of keeping it a secret, Sarah finally spilled the beans about her new job. 2. Accidental revelation. This phrase can also be used when someone accidentally reveals a secret. I didn't mean to spill the beans about the surprise party, it just slipped out. 3. Encouraging someone to tell the truth. You might use this phrase to encourage someone to disclose information. Come on, spill the beans. We all want to know what happened. He spilled the beans on his friend's surprise birthday party, ruining the surprise. During the meeting, she accidentally spilled the beans about the upcoming merger. My brother couldn't keep a secret and spilled the beans about our parents' anniversary plans. We hope this video has shed light on the interesting phrase, spilling the beans, and how you can use it in various contexts. Whether it's revealing a secret or encouraging someone to share information, this phrase adds a playful yet meaningful layer to English conversations. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content on English language learning. See you in the next video.